Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So y'all, I am at Tractor Supply. I'm at a Tractor Supply up here in Swansboro, North Carolina. It's about 20 minutes from Jacksonville where I live. So I wanted to come up here and see what gardening stuff they got out in this area, because this is the beach area. So I wanted to see what they got out. I hadn't been to Tractor Supply in a couple of weeks when I went to the one in my area in Jacksonville. Like I said, I'm like 20 minutes out, y'all. So let's go in here and see what they got. So this is just a little look at on the outside. I know some people use this for the raised beds. They put this down and then they put the dirt in there or whatnot, and they use those for raised beds. Those are $79.99. okay. This is a fire pit, $219. Got some of those. So not too much on the outside, but we definitely about to go see what's in the inside. Oh, I got stuff on my shirt. All right.
Good too.
So y'all know, I just got super excited. And look what it is. Look what it is. Look what it is. Look what it is. I knew it because remember the other one, they had these outside. They hadn't bought them out yet. But look, y'all, people is buying them. The blueberry, the naked cherries, the dewberries. Let's see. They got the asparagus, the garlic. It's only 3 bulbs. Rhubarb, onions, 60 cents. $3.99. I'm probably gonna get some of these. OJ, go get me a small buggy. Well, just give me a regular buggy. These are $7.99, y'all. We also have these, but they onions and they oh, they got 2 different types of onions. Let me go ahead and stock up on my onions. Cause you gotta watch, some of them look like they got mold or something on them. So you have to be careful and make sure you're getting a good batch. So y'all, just left out of Tractor Supply, y'all see they got I asked the lady, she said they didn't have their seeds out yet at this one, but y'all see they got those trees, bare root trees they have, which I'm gonna come back a little bit at a time and get me one, because I need companions for mine. I need another pear, another plum, another apple, and I would like to have another peach. Okay, a little bit at a time, because they $14.99 each. The lighting is just not good, but they $14.99 each. But you see they got their little bitty bushes and little trees and stuff like that out. So y'all, this the end of January. This is, we're not in February yet, just a couple more days, and as you see that, I mean, they getting the ball rolling. And I got those onions. I'll show y'all close up in this video, but they were $3.99, and they got their potato seeds for $7.99. So yeah, a little bit at a time, but they got this stuff out, so you should be ready when, you know, when spring. You can go ahead and put your onions in now. I did some onion seeds yesterday. These are the bulbs, okay? So let's get it. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home. This is what I got from Tractor Supply, y'all. So I'm so excited about these. So I got the sweet golden whatever it is, onions. And they $3.99. okay, so that's how much you get in the bag. All of them about the same amount in the bag. Nope, this one is 66 for this one. It tells you 66. This one right here is the yellow Stuttgarter, whatever. But in this one you get 86 for $3.99. And then right here is the red Carmen, and you get 86 for $3.99. And this one right here is the white somebody, and you get 86 for $3.99. So yeah, so y'all seen everything. The stuff is coming out slowly but surely, and y'all need to get what y'all need or whatnot. I'm so happy about getting ready to start these. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. If it's God's will, y'all be safe, okay? Till next time. Bye.